Hi there, welcome to our channel CTech. In this video, I will walk you through the key steps you need to take from building a strong credit profile to preparing the right document and choosing the right type of SBA loan. Follow these steps to increase your chance of fast approval and secure the funding your business needs. Okay, so visit sba.gov, and now here if I scroll down, so there we have loan for borrowers and they are offering three types here. The first one is 7A loan, which is the main SBA loan program. It is used to start, expand or run a small business, and it will be given through SBA approved lenders. Then we have the second one, which is 504 loans. In 50 loans, they are offering fixed rate and it is a long-term loans. It is used to buy land, buildings or heavy equipment. Next, it is provided by SBA certified development companies. The third one we have is Microloans. It is a small loan they are offering up to $50,000. It helps small businesses or non-profit childcare centers, and this loan is given by intermediary lenders. Now the question arises, how to get fast approval. So for this you must have a clear business plan. You have good credit score which is 600 or plus. Then submit all documents completely and correctly. SBA also offers express loan where decisions are made within 36 hours. So in this way you can get approved for SBA loan. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.